Welcome to the cheerful world of daffodils. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the vibrant and sunny world of daffodil flowers. Daffodils, scientifically known as narcissus, are celebrated for their bright and cheerful blooms. These iconic flowers are cherished for their vibrant colors, trumpet-shaped blossoms, and the promise of spring they bring. Join us as we explore the cheerful world of daffodils. The genus Narcissus encompasses numerous species and cultivars, each with its unique charm. Daffodils are characterized by their trumpet-shaped or bowl-shaped flowers that come in various colors, including shades of yellow, white, orange, and even bicolor varieties. Their vibrant hues and sweet fragrance herald the arrival of spring in gardens and landscapes around the world. Daffodils carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with meanings of renewal, hope, and optimism, making them popular choices for gardens, floral arrangements, and as a symbol of new beginnings. Additionally, daffodils are renowned for their cheerful and sunny disposition, brightening up even the dullest of days. Daffodils are highly regarded in the world of gardening and horticulture. They are a favorite among gardeners for their ability to add a burst of color and a touch of early spring magic to gardens, borders, and containers. Whether grown as perennials or bulbs, daffodils offer a reliable and joyous display of flowers. One of the most remarkable features of daffodils is their resilience. They are among the first flowers to bloom in spring, often pushing through the snow to announce the changing season. Their hardy nature and early appearance add to their popularity among gardeners. Efforts are made to conserve native Narcissus species and protect their natural habitats to ensure their survival. In summary, daffodils are more than just cheerful blooms. They embody the spirit of renewal, hope, and the enduring joy of spring. Daffodils are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to colder zones with harsh winters. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Daffodils are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate and even cold climates. Some varieties endure chilly temperatures and can tolerate light frost. Soil preferences. Daffodils prefer well-draining soil and are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils. They thrive in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Daffodils require moderate watering during their growing season. They appreciate consistent moisture but should not be waterlogged. Sunlight requirements. Most daffodil varieties flourish in full sun to partial shade, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. They are sun-loving plants that brighten up gardens with their sunny disposition. Daffodils offer a multitude of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their cheerful charm into your outdoor space. Garden beds. Plant daffodils in garden beds or borders, creating a vibrant and cheerful display that welcomes spring. Naturalized areas. Daffodils are perfect for naturalized areas, where they can multiply and create a carpet of sunny blooms beneath trees or in meadows. Containers. Grow daffodils in containers to bring early spring color to patios, balconies, and porches. They are perfect for container gardens. Rock gardens. Some daffodil varieties, like the miniature tête-à-tête, are ideal for rock gardens, adding a touch of early spring charm. Cut flower gardens. Cultivate daffodils in cutting gardens, where their vibrant flowers can be used for cheerful floral arrangements, adding a dash of springtime joy to your home. The versatility of daffodils empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create naturalized areas, vibrant garden beds, or charming container displays. Thank you for joining us on this cheerful journey into the cheerful world of daffodils. Daffodils have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their vibrant blooms, optimism, and the joy they bring to gardens and the arrival of spring. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a flower enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the sunny disposition of daffodils, may these cheerful flowers continue to bring renewal, hope, and a touch of springtime joy to your life and surroundings.